how we can compare data in two Excel sheets and find the differences. Here I have product names in column A and month names in first row, and I have some data here. Now in the same sequence on sheet 2 I have product names here in column A, and in the same sequence in row 1 I have month's name, and I have some data here. Now I want to compare from sheet 1 all products data to sheet 2 all products data. Now what is the simplest way of doing this? So what I'll do, because I know the shape of data is same but values are different, so I will copy data from sheet 2 or even from sheet 1 and paste this data into sheet 3, and then I will delete all these values. So simple formula is I will use equal to sign, and then I will go to sheet 1, select the cell B2, then one more equal to sign, and then I'll go to sheet 2, same cell I will select here, cell B2. I'll press enter. Then we can see that on sheet cell B2 is showing true. Why? Because on sheet 1 and sheet 2 we have same value for product A and month Jan. So let's check. On sheet 1 we have 100, on sheet 2 we have 100 for product A for Jan month. So if I go to sheet 3 where I have applied this simple equal to formula and compared B2 cell on both sheets, I will drag this formula towards right and I will drag this formula towards down. So here if we see that certain cells like cell B3 and cell G2, these two cells, even more cells are there where we have false, so that means value is mismatching. So on this sheet 3 if I want to highlight, then I will select this in conditional formatting. I can highlight cells equal to, and then if I write here false, press OK. So we can easily see that 1 2 3 4 5 values are different on both sheets. So let's check. If I want to see like for product B for Jan, so on sheet 1 product B and Jan we have 200, and on sheet 2 product B and Jan we have 150. So on sheet 3 we can easily see that by using simple formula we have compared and we have found the mismatched. But now let's say if we want to see values also, that values are different on both sheets, but what are those values? So for that we can do with different formula. So let me delete this, let me remove conditional formatting, and now I will write formula equal to if, and then again I will select sheet 1, cell B2 is equal to, and then I will go to sheet 2, select B2. So if cell B2 from sheet 1 and sheet 2 are equal to, then what I want? Same value, true. Then comma. Now I will write formula to see the differences, or I would say see the both value. So what is that? else I want equal to sign, sorry, inverted commas, sheet 1 space colon, one more space and inverted comma. Now this will be static, then one and sign or ampersand sign, and then I will select sheet 1 cell B2, then one more ampersand sign or and sign, and static value I will write sheet 2 colon space inverted comma and then one more and sign, and manually I can go to sheet 2, select cell B2, close the bracket. So this is the formula. If sheet 1 B2 equal to sheet 2 B2, then I want value as true, otherwise for that comma, and then I am writing the formula within inverted commas sheet 1 colon, then ampersand sign or and sign, then selecting cell B2 on sheet 1, one more and sign, sheet 2, ampersand sign, sheet 2 colon B2. I will paste this formula in description also just to help you. So once I press here enter, we can see true is coming. Now if I drag this formula towards right and towards down, so we can see that in same 6 cells we are getting the result, that what are the values and what are the different values on both sheets. So let me do one thing, select these cells, right click and then format cell, select the wrapping the text box, press OK, and we can see here that on sheet 1 it is 200, sheet 2 it is 150, sheet 1 it is 220. So let's check one. In G2 we have sheet 1 200 and sheet 2 140. So sheet 1 we have 200, sheet 2 we have 140. So this is how we can easily compare two data sets on two sheets, and even same logic we can apply if we have same data sets, or I would say data in same structure on one sheet or even in two workbooks. So I hope this tutorial is helpful. You can practice this. I will leave this formula into description. If you have any question around this topic, you can write into comments or you can send me email. I will try to answer all your questions. Thanks for watching.